Bless you. Welcome back to my channel. All right, so I got a request to do this song of Fill My Cup, Lord. Ba, 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 ba. Alright, so that's the song. So it goes off. Fill my cup, Lord. One. Right? That's the one chord. I lift it up. Lord. So it goes to 5. So from your 5, you go to 6. Major 6 as a passing chord to 2. Pa, pa. So pa 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 pa. Then pa 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 5. Then you go to major 6. Pa pa pa. It takes you to 2, then to 5. Pa pa pa. Pa da da. Then to 1, and I can go to major 3. Major 3 in the key of C. I'm in the key of C. Oh, sorry, did I mention the key I was in? Yeah. I'm in the key of C. Then fill my cup. I'm not a very good singer. I'm sorry for that. All right, so bread of heaven, 6, flattened 5, minor 5, then 4, 3, 2. Then go to 4 back, 5, 6, 7. Alright. So that's basically the chord progression. But let me show you some stuff. Some of the other chords I'm playing. You know, you can agree with me that I've taught a lot of chords on this channel, and I'll still be teaching. So if you're a follower of this channel, some of these chords I'm playing, you already know them because you follow this channel. So that's why I gave you the chord progression. But I did a movement. So let's go about the song again. I'll fill my cup, Lord. I'll lift it up. So instead of doing and then major 6, so you can do a gospel melodic movement. So you can do it and drop also. So from 5, I don't know if you can see that. So fill my cup, Lord. Let me play chart. Cup, Lord. I lift it up, Lord. Then after further, oh my God. Yeah, so you can do. So you hold. So 5. Then you need to go to 6. The basis is playing something like that. Fill my cup, Lord. Do. You always do. I lift it up. So then. That is that flattened 4, right? Flattened 5 to 5 that I did. It's only local basis that will play that. A touch basis will not play like that. So 1, 5, 6. I think I already taught this, but I'll show you again. It's called hold and drop. So you hold your 6 with your pinky. Then you do. This is like a move from 6 to 2. So passing chord there. So 6, brother. So it goes from your what note am I touching first? Okay, I'm touching the flattened second. I think they call it minor 2, right? So minor 2. You know, minor means minus. Yeah. To minor 2. So then to 2. So while doing that, this will also go from flattened 7 to 7 back to flattened 7. So together it's going to go. So pa, pa, pa. Then you hold this chord, this passing chord, your 5 diminished 7 chord, right? So that takes you to 2. So listen to it slowly. fill my cup, Lord. I lift it up, Lord. Then, para, pa. That's it. Ta. Oh. Right. Some people that are also very good will be picking some of those stuffs, extra stuffs I do. Yeah, it's also like a form of tutorial for people who know it, though. For people who know it. Yeah. So God bless you. Don't forget to click subscribe button and please join the channel membership to support this channel. Right. So please support this channel. I have to start using MIDI for you guys back, but I mean I need some financial support to get my laptop in order to do that. So, but once it's done, you start seeing the MIDI back, the MIDI on the channel. Thank you.